If you're thinking about investing passively in multifamily, I'm going to tell you why I think a deal sponsor's track record is one of the most important things you need to look at. This year, 2024, we've seen some deals go under. And what I've seen in most of those deals is that the deal sponsor syndicator was not as experienced and didn't have a proven track record. Maybe they've had some acquisitions and they've been able to raise some equity, but you don't really get to know how strong a sponsor is until they've exited some deals. They've proven that they can implement a track record and deliver their projected returns to investors. So this is the reason I think a track record is so important when it comes to investing in syndications. Here at Elevate, we've acquired over 8,000 units now. We've exited almost 2,000. We've on average delivered 47% IRR to our investors on those exits. And we've been able to implement the business plan several times. Those are the kind of things you want to see when you look at a sponsor's track record. You want to see that they've gone through these cycles on deals and they've been able to deliver. That's the most important thing.